Hey guys, how's it going? So in today's video we're gonna be talking about, is NEO stock a buy? I think NEO stock is a buy after the stock crashed, and why I think Aurora stock is heading to $14. Like, I'll explain in this video why I believe that Aurora's stock is actually gonna head to $14 and maybe even beyond. So let me explain in this video and let's begin. So first of all, EV startup NEO abandoned plans to make its own cars. I don't like that. If they were making their own cars, then their gross margin will improve in the future. Right now they're buying their cars from, I don't know, Jack's Motors. So, you know, and the ramp is kind of slow, and on top of that, the delivery times are starting to slow down in China. I think the stock's gonna drop further. I think NEO is could possibly make new all-time lows. That's my bullish prediction. So, you know, I think it's possible because, you know, even if like investors think, you know, even if some of the bulls say, oh, you know, NEO abandons making its own car, now it can focus on profitability. Well, yeah, well, maybe, because like, even if they're profitable, they're not going to be very profitable because they still have to buy the car from Jack Motors, right? So, and they have expenses. So for NEO to be profitable, buying cars from another company, it's gonna be tough. So, you know, I don't know. It's just, I don't see where NEO is really gonna go in the future, because once Tesla comes in China, Tesla, because they're manufacturing their own car, they can compete on the competitive side. They can basically sell cars for dirt cheap prices because they're being built directly in China. I think, you know, I think when Tesla can be able to build in China, they're going to destroy NEO. They simply are going to destroy NEO on the profit side, on the manufacturing side, on the amount of units that can be produced. I think Tesla's going to destroy NEO. Can NEO compete against Tesla? Absolutely not. That's the reason why I'm bearish on NEO. But I'm willing to put some money into the stock. If the stock goes to $5 US, I will make a gamble on NEO. Maybe management can pull a miracle and, you know, succeed. I have no idea. I don't know if the total. I never listened to the press conference, but you know, it's hard for me to see NEO compete with Tesla. That's what I think. You know, NEO's down again after hours, $4, 4%. I do think, like, if you look at the Bollinger Band, it's in the middle of the Bollinger Band. I think it's gonna trade on the lower band of the Bollinger Band. If you notice, the lower band price target is $6.35. So I'm thinking, this is just me thinking, I'm not 100% sure, but I think NEO will be trading on the lower Bollinger Band. This is just my opinion. I don't have a put option on it. I don't have any stake in it, but that's what I think. So like, I could put a put option on it, but I don't have one at the moment. Oh, I do have a think or swim put option on it, play money. So that doesn't really kind of count, but I'm a little bit up on that. I mean, I'm up pretty big on that actually. So now we're gonna talk about Aurora. Why I think Aurora is going to $14, maybe even higher. Why I think it's gonna go back up to here. So first, the biggest one is HMMJ. If you notice, HMMJ is uptrending. I think HMMJ is going to be going to $24, $25. And when it was at $24 or $25, Aurora was around, you know, $13, $14. So that's what I think. I think Aurora is going to pulled back, go up, pull back, go up, pull back, go up until it hits $14 again. You know, I could be totally wrong, but it has hit $14 before, and I believe it still will hit $12, $13, $14. I believe we will see $13, $14 just simply because HMMJ is ramping up. So, and then, you know, you also kind of have to follow Canopy too. Canopy hit $60, $60 to $70, and it kind of hovered around that price point for a while. And when you know, when they were at that price point, Aurora was around $13, $14. So, you know, I think Canopy is gonna hover around this price point. Aurora is gonna push up to this price point. They're gonna push to $13, $14, while Canopy may push to $70. And then, you know, if the market was to continue, it would continue, or it could crash and could tank for a couple months. After every single stock goes up. Like, what I think is, you know, Aurora could go up, you know, some more, you know, up to $13, $14, $15. HMMJ will go to like $24, $25. Canopy would probably go up to $70, and then suddenly the market would crack, tank, and all these stocks will fall massively. That could happen, or it could just keep rallying. I'm not a financial advisor. I can't tell you what to do, but this is what I think, you know, is a possible scenario in the future. So, you know, just my 2 cents on the whole subject. Lago. So, I just wanted to keep you guys updated on Lago. I sold some Lago. I sold 30,000 shares of Lago. I sold some at $2.33, and then I sold another 20,000 at $2.26, I think, or 25 cents. Can't remember the exact number. But this is how many I have left. I have about $130,000 worth of stock. I do plan to buy back in if the stock drops. I wanted to exit. I wanted to take some risk off, and possibly. And on top of that, you know how I have it at. I sold this one is because I want to average this down, and I was thinking if it drops to 220, I might buy a little bit to average it down, and if it goes to like you know, like 210, then I'll buy a little bit more, average it down. You know, if it does, I don't know if that's the scenario, but I think that I think Lago is downtrending. It did have a massive amount of volume rallied up by the end of the day, so maybe tomorrow it would continue to ramp up, and I just made a mistake selling. I was gambling the stock was gonna plummet back down. It looked like it was on a weak downtrend. I mean, it looked like the downtrend was still intact, so I was a little bit worried. But, you know, I could be totally wrong, and this stock could just pop up tomorrow to 250, and, you know, I just lost a bunch of money because I didn't have my money in Lago. But I still own some shares, so it'll make me happy and kind of unhappy at the same time. I just took a little bit of risk off because, you know, I don't have to take a huge amount of risk because I am well off. And Lago still looks like it's downtrending. So I honestly still really hope Lago goes down. I'm really hoping Lago goes all the way down to $2. I would love the price to go down to $2. I would definitely buy more. I would definitely average in that spot and on top on another spot down. So really hoping the stock price goes down. Really hoping. T-God T-God hold up pretty well. I'm just gonna kind of skim through this because it's already such a long video. Aurora after hours down 1 cent. I think I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but I'm just saying that I think any huge dip in stock price is probably an opportunity. Because I do think the stock is going higher, but that's just my opinion. I honestly want Aurora to go down. I really want Aurora to go down to like $5. I would love to see that price, but it's not. It's gonna go up to probably back to 10, possibly 11 US dollars. That's what I think is gonna happen, but that's just my opinion though. Canopy after hours up for 21 cents. So already looking kind of positive on the Canopy side. Cron, not so much. Cron is down, I believe. Cron is down 16 cents. That's not good. CanTrust down 11 cents. Also not good. And I don't have Afria up here, but I'm assuming Afria is going to be down. Yep, Afria is down a little bit after hours. But anything tomorrow could be a totally different day. It doesn't really matter. NBEV. NBEV is up 2 cents. Yeah, I don't know. I'm hoping NBEV keeps going up. I need it to go to $6.30 soon, else I'm gonna lose out on my call option. Roku. Roku is an interesting company. I actually did a little bit of research on it, and it seems a little bit interesting, its business model. But I still gotta do some more research. I'm just not really interested in it. I could be an opportunity, but I don't know. I mean, Roku, I don't know. I gotta do more research, but I think Roku has an interesting business model. Aurora. I don't know why I have Aurora, but anyways, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.